It's I gotta go. I gotta help Sheena load the fucking trailers. Yeah. Show was dope. I can't wait to do this again next year. Yeah. What's up, fucker?